it's Alex from Alex's Innovations, and today I'm going to be showing you guys the thickest bracelets that I've ever made. So to start off, I'm going to show you guys this bracelet. This bracelet is really cool. I really like it. It's actually part of the series that I've made. I've made a couple of these bracelets in different colors, but this is one of my favorite color combinations. It's all neon and it actually glows underneath ultraviolet light. So next up we have this rainbow twist sort of thing. I made this from a pattern, and initially it seemed really complicated for me, but then I realized it's just alternating the strings here, and I think this one really stands out. It's really pretty to wear. It looks really flattering. Next I have this slightly thicker version of this neon bracelet, but I like this one because it's pastel and it's also slightly different. Like you see here there are 4 diamonds, while here there are only 2. And here there's 2 arrowheads down, where here they sort of like are symmetrical with each other. There's also this varying string here, but it looks really cool, and I had a lot of fun making this bracelet. Next I have my famous Harry Potter bracelet, the one that separates into 4 different strands, and I'll put a link to the tutorial down in the description. But it's one of my favorite bracelets to make as well, and it goes really quickly because it looks really hard, but it's actually not very, because it's just a bunch of candy stripes all together, because I'm a nerd for Harry Potter. Speaking of Harry Potter, this is a Slytherin bracelet that I've made. I made this on vacation and it was really fun, but one thing is I ran out of black here, so I had to start with dark green, which was a little annoying, but it's really cool. It actually looks almost like a bookmark, but I would definitely wear this if I were Slytherin. Next, and I've also made a pattern for this, is my double arrowhead bracelet. This has been my most popular video on YouTube so far. I think it's gotten something, oh, there's my cat. I think it's gotten something over like 4,000 views at this point, but it's really awesome, and I didn't know you guys liked this bracelet so much. I've made this in also blue and pink, and honestly the blue's my favorite, but they all look really pretty. Next I have one of my other favorite patterns to make. I call this the quilt bracelet, or a starburst bracelet. It just looks so pretty, and the way that the knots line up, if your knots are all the same constant thickness, and if you use a really cool color gradient, this looks like a cherry blossom bracelet. It's honestly one of my favorites. It's so pretty. Next is this one. I don't really remember what my goal was for this one. It's about 4 inches long, which is a bit too short for a bracelet, but I vividly remember sitting in class and making this and trying to interpret the pattern, and everyone was like, what are you doing? I was like, I don't know, man, I'm just working on this cool bracelet that I found online. So this is actually the logo for my channel, Alex's Innovations. But yeah, it also has 4 ties, so I don't really know what I was thinking, how you'd go about putting this on. Maybe you tie 2 of them together, I'm not really sure. But it looks really cool, and I'm really proud of it. I think it's really, really pretty. And finally I have these 2 monsters. I don't even know what I was thinking with these. These are about half the length of a normal bracelet. You could fit like 2 of them here. I don't know what I was thinking. At first I potentially received a custom order. Someone wanted me to make 30 of these. They were 8 centimeters long and 5 centimeters across, and I said, when do you want it by? And they took so long to reply that I actually made 2 of them before they replied that they would need it in a month, and I said I can't do that in a month. But still, I made them anyway. They were really cool. It was really fun for me. I don't know what I'm ever going to do with them, but they're really pretty. Maybe use them for a bookmark or something. And also this loop was really fun to make, and I'll also put a link to that in the description. So comment down below, guys, which one you like the most. I made tutorials for the Harry Potter one and the double arrowhead one, which will pop up as links in the description. But I can make tutorials for other ones if you guys want to see that. And also comment down which one's your favorite. And make sure to check out my Etsy shop at etsy.com/shop/alexinnovations to buy these bracelets, and also visit my website at alexinnovations.weebly.com. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to keep the bracelets coming. See you next time!